Hello, in this video, we will introduce dictionaries. A dictionary is a container object that stores a collection of key value pairs. So it's a combined element. So this element has two things together. It's a key and value pairs. It enables fast retrieval, deletion, and updating of the value by using the key. It's a very efficient data structure. Dictionary is also known as a map in other programming language, as hash map, as associate array. So there's all kinds of names, but dictionary is the name here used in Python. In Python, you can create a dictionary. So let's do this here. First, let's look at the diagram here now. This is dictionary. So you put this key value pairs as one item in the dictionary. So this is the one item here. The key is social security number, and this is the value is the name. So these keys are unique in the dictionary. So now, to create a dictionary, you can use this empty curly braces to create an empty dictionary. So let's do this now. I'm going to have this is my dictionary. So you can say this is an empty dictionary. Or you can create a dictionary with all the items. So this is the key value pair. So this is the key value. So there's two items here. So we know this is the one way to create an empty dictionary, just the braces with nothing inside. And also you can use this constructor here as dict with this empty parentheses here. Now let's see how you add more into the dictionary. Really simple. This is what you can do is, so let's say you have a dictionary now. Okay. So what you do is you simply use this, the key, and put a value into this. So let me copy and paste this to my idle here. So I have student now. So this is students dictionary. So this is, see what you see here is a key value and key value. Now I'm going to add another key value here. Is, so let's do this, is the social security number is a string here. Let's just put this as the social security number. And this is James. All right, so please note that the way you write it is this, the key is brackets, and this is like index, but this is the key. So you're gonna assign James to this. So now display students, you're gonna see it's 3 items. So this is for James. So I'm gonna create another one here, is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And this time I'm creating it for this Kim. So this is Kim. Okay, so now I have 4 items. Now what happens if we set a new value to this key? So the key is already here. So this is 111, 34. So 34. And you're going to write students using this value. So now let's say you're going to have Susan. Now display students. See, now this is Susan. So the keys are unique. If you assign a new value, the old value is replaced. So this is add and modify. So this is here. Now, if you want to see an element value here, so you go right here and I'm going to display. So this is students, and here is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0. So now see what is value? So it's displays came, right? So, but you mistype it, students, something like this. It's not in the dictionary. So you get this name error. That is spelling for the students. Okay, let's go back here. Now, students, 3. So I spell students right now. Okay, so you get a key error here, which is 33 is not in the dictionary. To delete an item, so use the key. So using DEL for delete students and give the key to delete the item with the key. To traverse all the elements in the dictionary, so go it like this for key in students, you can display everything now. You can use the len function to find the number of items in the dictionary. Testing whether a key is in the dictionary, so you can use this. Key in students. Equality test to test if two dictionaries are the same, so this they have the same items. So the orders doesn't matter. So you can have red here, 41, and then red 41 here, they're the same item. The order doesn't matter. So you can also use the methods in the dictionary. So these are the methods. You can get all the keys. Okay, so this is the return type is dict keys, but you can convert it into a list or a tuple values, and you get all the items. You clear it to delete all the items. And this is the get, return the value for the key. And this is the pop to remove the item for the key and returns its value. And pop item returns a randomly select key value pair as a tuple and removes this selected item. So now these are the things you can test. This is students here, so we get all the keys as a tuple now. This is all the keys. So now you get all the values as a tuple now, and this is got get all the items. So this is the all the items here, and this is the student.get. So the same as student. So you when you write this using this, so here look. Using this, it's the same as you're writing students brackets 111 34 34 34. So it's the same. Pop to delete the element. So this with using the key, and so you can also use delete. That is all for the dictionaries. We will give examples in the next video. See you on the next video.